All right, so this is our Kubota Z726X 60-inch deck. The belt broke on it. They really don't give you much of a clear understanding on how the belt goes. Yes, the routing is nice and clear, as long as it's not worn off your deck. If it isn't, I take a picture of it. However, these standoffs right here, they're all throughout, and you don't know whether the belt goes to the inside or the outside of those. Some you may be able to tell because there's some wear marks, but here's how we put the belt on. We started at the back of the mower, and underneath here, we placed the belt after we stretched it out over the main drive pulley here. And then we came and thread it through underneath. You can kind of see where it's going up over that one bracket and then down over the top of the deck. From there, we came through, as you can see, and we wrapped, this is your spring-loaded pulley right here, and that's the tension spring that's on it, and it's got a bracket right there. And what we did was we threaded the belt around here on the outside of that post, around the wheel, on the inside here. It doesn't really touch, but if the belt wiggles, from vibration, that's where it would touch. Goes to the inside of this pulley here, which is an idler, which then comes around to the center blade pulley, around to the last blade pulley. And then what we did was we pushed this idler wheel back in here. You can either push it with the palm of your hand. What we did to make it easier was we put a little S hook in here, and then we put a ratchet strap on that because our ratchet strap hook wouldn't fit through that little square. And we hooked the deck, ratcheted the tension pulley over, slipped the belt over here, and then released all the tension. But just for the sake of where these standoffs are in regards to the belt, take a look. So again, this is standing in front of the mower. The belt goes on the outside towards the back of that stand-up, and then it goes on the inside on this particular orange stand-up post. And then in the back, you can see the idler pulley. It goes right around the pulley, and to the left, you can see it goes to the inside of that L stand-up, and then to the inside of this one. And then as you come around to the inside of that one, so the back of the belt is on that side, and then you're coming around here, and same thing. The back of the belt is on the inside. You can see the little wear mark that's on that one. That's it. So I haven't seen anything on YouTube. I'll post this. Hopefully it helps if anybody has this kind of a deck. I've seen all kinds of decks on YouTube, but not particularly this one, so maybe I missed it.